Hey, Dino with the Dino's Paws Brigade. Today I have something very challenging. Husky mix rescue. His name is Cosmo. Doesn't know how to do anything more than that. In the kennel, in the rescue, he used to get out only 15 minutes a day, which is nothing for a big husky. He's only a year old. Usually, this guy, if you pick up a rescue, a big rescue, if you have a big, mainly like working dog, they need at least minimum of 45 minutes of running and playing and exercise 3 times a day. That's like the minimum. 3 or 4 hours a day, that will be much better. I've never met him before, so I have a treat. I'm gonna try for the first time to see if he can sit. 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 Yes! Good boy. So I take the treat, I put it above his nose and start making the head go up. When the head goes up, the butt goes down. Everything is about timing. The minute that the butt touches the ground, that's when I say yes and give him the treat. Let's try it again. Sit. I'm gonna use the collar to help me. Sit. Yes. As you saw, I asked no more than 3 times. When we talk too much to the dog, who doesn't understand English, just get more and more confused because they don't understand what we want from them. So if we say, sit, sit, come on, Cosmo, sit. Would you mind sitting? They just won't do anything. So we're gonna use his behavior and only then say only one word. I'm gonna say sit and help him have the behavior of sitting, and then immediately gets the treat until the brain understands that when he hears the sound sit, he needs to do a sitting behavior. So we're gonna try again. Cosmo, 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 sit. Cosmo, sit. Yes. Good boy. Repetition, we need to do it again. Cosmo, come. Sit. Cosmo, sit. Sit. Come on. Break. Sit. Cosmo. Cosmo. You're a cute boy. Sit. Sit. Cosmo. Sit. Yes. So because he didn't sit, I helped him by pushing his butt down. And still, the minute that I saw the behavior of sit, yes, and immediately he gets the treat. Even though it was different than just the treat. Oh, you're a cute little guy. Let's do it again. Nice. So because he's continuing sitting and I want him to continue sit, I give him another treat every 10 to 20 seconds. Good sit. Good sit. Break. Come. Sit. 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 Yes. Good boy. So in any way I help the body make the movement. For example, with him, I need to push it back a little bit. I push the treat a little back, and then it helps his butt goes back and sit. Come here. We need to do it again and again and again until that sound is paired with a behavior in his brain. Good sit. Just like many other work dogs, he has tons of potential and he's very cool. Cosmo, good sit. Oh, yeah, cute boy, you're such a cute boy. Good boy. Cosmo, sit. Yes, good boy. Again, I had to help his body by pushing on his butt. When you just start working with a dog, with any animal, the training should be many trainings, but very short trainings. They need to have fun while they're training. So if we're gonna push a 1-year-old dog to train for an hour, we're actually fucking us up. It won't work really well. Good sit. It's better to do 3 or 4 15 minutes or 10 minutes training a day than one long one. Cosmo, sit. Sit. Yes. Good boy.